Top 5 Vietnamese breakfast meals. Vietnam is a country that wakes up early. The parks and sidewalks fill up quickly with people doing their morning stretches and strolling around to loosen their legs. But before the real work can get going, people need fuel. In this video, favorite breakfasts in Vietnam. 1. Hutayuu. And finally, yet another bowl of noodles. Hutayuu is popular through much of Southeast Asia, especially in Cambodia. The noodles are doused in a sticky mixture of oyster sauce, soy sauce and sugar. The broth is flavored with pork bones, dried squid, sugar and fish sauce. The dish is served with meats and greens as well, dependent on availability and the tastes of the cook. 2. Bony. Be careful with the fingers when you're eating this dish, because it comes sizzling on black iron. It looks more Germanic than Vietnamese, but it's the breakfast of choice for many protein-hungry people here. It's beefsteak, eggs, sausage, veggies and a baguette, definitely not the breakfast of centenarians. 3. Com Tam. This is likely the most customizable dish on this list. It's a bed of broken rice, the cheapest kind, topped with any number of things, including fish, pork, meatballs, morning glory, pickled veggies and so much more. The options change with every restaurant. Broken rice used to be undesirable, but now many people prefer it. 4. Xôi. Every day in Vietnam you see kids tromping off to school, swinging their xôi breakfast in little plastic bags. It's a glutinous rice base with any number of toppings, including fried onions, mung beans, quail eggs and sliced sausage. 5. Bun Bo Hue. We already covered one bun dish, but Bun Bo Hue is unique enough to warrant another spot on this list. It comes from Hue in central Vietnam, the old imperial capital and home to some of the spiciest food in the country. This dish might be a bit too much on a hot day in Ho Chi Minh City, but it's the perfect way to warm up in the colder regions.